Hi everyone, Daisy here with my Shop It kit for the series that Christy and I are doing called Shop It or Stash It. This is our first kit that we're going to be using for about 2 weeks, and then we're going to switch over to our stash kit. At that time, anything we have left over from our Shop It kit can move into our Stash It kit. So we used the same mood board to kind of pick out what was going to be in each of our kits. For the Shop It kit, we did have a couple of things that we wanted to keep in common. And then there's a few things all month that we're focusing on, which is using up some old sequins from Spiegel Mom scraps, and then also using cut files. So I unfortunately haven't cut out my cut file yet for my Shop It kit, but we are using the Paige Evans. It is like a banner with some flowers hanging from it that kind of look like Polaroid. Like they've got big circles in the center so you can put like a picture, and there's like I think 9 of the flowers on like all together. So I apologize, I don't have that cut out yet, but you will see that coming up. And then I just wanted to show you this. This is how I'm storing my kits. These are from the Paper Studio. They're just little kit, like page kit things. And that's how I'm kind of keeping them separate. So to start out for our Shop It kit, we each selected a paper that we were going to be using. Unfortunately, Christy had some shipping issues with everything that's going on, and she couldn't get the paper that I wanted, so I chose a different one, but I am including my original paper in here. So she chose this crepe paper. This is from Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story. It's called Fresh, and she chose this pink and coral color side. It's really pretty. So I'm excited to use that. I had to buy that, obviously. I mean, I had to buy all this, really, because I wanted to go shopping. And, you know, I don't have a lot of Maggie Holmes, so I did purchase that. I chose as my secondary choice this Sweet Story paper called Kindness. It has all these words on the side and then clusters of blueberries on the other side. I picked it for this side, but it was something that Christy had, so it made it simpler. So we have those two. And then the paper that I originally chose was this one from Dear Lizzie. It's from the Here and Now collection called Summer Vibes. I picked it for this rainbow color because I felt like it went really well with the mood board that we're using. And this side of the paper reminded me of Christy's, so I felt like it was like a good choice. Unfortunately, she wasn't able to get this in time, so that's why I picked something else. I also pulled in this from Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story. I had gotten this as part of a kit from Paper Issues, and it is called Parfait, and I love this rainbow. And these stars are super cute too, like the tape or whatever. So yes. And then I pulled in this Here and Now Paradise paper because I felt like the leaves went really well with what was in the mood board, and I really love this side as well. So I'm not sure which side I'm going to use, but this is already like really pink, right? So then I chose to pull in this High Five from Here and Now, and it's got more of the blues in it. It's got the leaves, which are in the mood board, but it also has this blue side. So it is a lot of kind of pink tones, but I'm okay with that. Because, you know, this is a rainbow stripe, so, you know, that allows for some different colors. Again, I didn't have any of the Sweet Story. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get this paper in time, so I did order from Peachy Cheap a little mini kit of Sweet Story. So I got the 6x8 paper pad. So I decided why not? I would throw this in. I really love this paper. so I'll probably end up using that somehow. A lot of gold foiling and some, different colors that obviously go with kind of the color scheme we have going here. So I pulled that in. And then also as part of that kit, we got the sticker book from Peachy Cheap, which there's a lot of clear stickers, but it does have some labels, and I really like these florals and these little rainbows. So a lot of options in here. Also got the puffy stickers with that collection, as well as the gold puffy bows. I also chose to pull in the Dear Lizzie Here and Now cardstock stickers. Obviously the colors go with, half my kit at least. It's got the gold foiling and, the leaves and things that go really well with the mood board. I also pulled in the Ellie Studio April and July labels. I got these in a kit from Paper Issues. I felt like this purple color goes really well. Obviously, I think all of the colors go really well, but I really liked the purple color. And then for my Spiegel Mom Scrap sequins, I did go way back. So here, let me try to move this. I wonder if I put this paper under here, if it will pick it up a little better. Nope. I'm having like major light issues today. I don't know why it's so blown out. There, that's a little better. Anyhow, I went way back in my stash of sequins and I pulled this one out. It's called Road Trips and Sunshine. It has a lot of beautiful light tealy blue turquoisey color. And I felt like that went really well. It's probably from the first year I was in Spiegel Mom Scraps, so like 3 years ago, something like that. I pulled in, this is Spring Sonnet. I really liked the navy florals in this. The other colors will go really well too, but I really pulled it for these navy little flower sequins. I can't remember when that came out. It might have actually come out more recently, but I can't remember. And then I pulled out Peaches and Cream. This is probably from last year because I felt like this peachy color goes well with my kit. And then there's some, other colors in here, obviously, that will work. I pulled New Year's Eve. That was from this year. The pinks go really well. And there's some black sequins and hearts in there, which I like. Gypsy Soul is from this year as well. All of the colors go with the whole kit. And then I pulled these out. Jody used to carry these twines in her shop, and she might actually still have a couple. But I had gotten the magenta and the purple, like literally the first order I think I made on the design team. And I've used a little bit of it, but not nearly enough. So I thought I could possibly work on getting that used up. And then, like I said, we'll also have that cut file from Paige Evans that we're both going to use. So it'll be interesting to see how we use it in different ways. We definitely have different approaches to cut files. So it's always fun when we kind of compare side by side what we each create. So, like I said, around mid-month, like 15th or 16th, we'll be posting our stash kit. And again, we'll be able to pull all of these, whatever we have left over from this kit into that kit. I already filmed my stash kit, so you won't see what I'm pulling back in, but I will do a kill a kit at probably before I post the next kit so that you'll see what I have left over. But I'm super excited to get started with this. I hope you enjoyed this series, and I will have a link down below for Christy's kit, as well as to the playlist for Shop It or Stash It, so you can check out what we did last time, and then also, as I add videos, I'll put them in that playlist. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you again next time. Bye!